class 4 students, welcome back to our EVS session and I hope you all are fine. So as you all know, today we will be completing our chapter number 14. So you all have to keep your notebooks with you. As you all know, our book work is completed and today we are starting with the notebook work, and yes, today we will be completing this chapter and from tomorrow our next chapter will be started. So yes everyone, open your notebook and start writing with me. As you all know, we will start with the keywords, then we will do very short question answers, then short question answers, and then long question answers. So this chapter was very easy and we had done it very fast because it was very easy and very general. So let's get started with the notebook work. First of all everyone, write down the date, that is 10th of November. So write down the date. And then here is chapter number 14, animals in transport. Animals in transport. Make the heading of this. Then here write down the classwork and make a heading of keywords. Make a heading of keywords. There are total 8 keywords we will be doing, and listen it carefully. I will be explaining the meaning also. So yes, now write the first keyword, that is invention. Invention is a thing which is made for the very first time, which is made or designed by somebody for the very first time. जो सबसे पहले कोई चीज को बनाया जाता है या उसे डिजाइन किया जाता है, that is known as invention. INVENTION, invention. Okay, it was invention. Now the second is revolution. Revolution meaning the change, complete change in methods. कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं, we are using any different method and there is slightly a very big change. Okay, big change, complete change in methods, that is known as revolution. That is known as revolution. That invention of the wheel create a revolution, means बिल्कुल change हो गया था method में. Revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. Then next is veterinary. Veterinary is a person which is connected with the medical treatment of sick or injured animals, right? तो जो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं जो सिक और इंजर्ड एनिमल्स को ट्रीट करते हैं, मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ सिक एंड इंजर्ड एनिमल्स, दैट इज द वेटरिनरी. Now VETERINARY, veterinary. After that the fourth is hoof. Okay, so I told you the meaning of hoof in the chapter also. Hoof is the hard part of the hard part of foot of horses or any other animals. That is the hard part of horses or any other animals we can say. तो उनकी जो foot का hard part होता है, that is known as hoof. After that, horseshoe. HORSE, shoe. SHOE means two spellings में you can learn it. Horse and then shoe. Horseshoe. So horseshoe is a U-shaped piece of metal. Metal का एक piece है which is in the U shape and it protects the hoof of animal. Okay. Then next is battlefield. BATTLEFIELD, battlefield. Place where battle fought. जहाँ पर battle लड़े जाते हैं. That is the battlefield. जहाँ पर battle होती है. Then next is sledge. Sledge is a vehicle without wheels. वो व्हीकल जिसके व्हील्स नहीं होते हैं, इट इज यूज्ड टू ट्रेवल इन स्नो और आइस. मीन्स wheelless carts are known as sledges. Then the last, which is bridegroom. BRIDEGROOM, bridegroom. Now bridegroom, who is bridegroom? A man on his wedding day or before his wedding. So just before his wedding or on his wedding day, that is the bridegroom. Okay. So these were the keywords. Now we are starting with the very short question answers. For that you all have to make a heading of very short question answer. Yes. So we are starting with the question number first. Question number first is, name two animals. Name two animals used in transport. Used in transport. So in this chapter I told you about many animals which we are using in the transport, right? So you can write any of them. You can write any two of them. I am writing here camels, right? And horse. You can write any two of them. Elephant, donkey. Any two of them you can write which we are using in transport, and if anything else you want to add on, you can. Okay, so after this, second question of the very short is, which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? So yes, which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? कौन से animal को हम sheep of the desert कहते हैं? Is the sheep of the desert. Sorry. Yes. Which animal we can find in the deserts? Yes, that is camel. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Okay, now next question. Next we are making heading of short question answer. So start with the question number first. I hope you all have done these two very short question answers. Now we are starting with the question number first of short question answer. Make a heading of short question answer. So yes, here I am doing little change. Like in your book, first short question I am just bringing it in the long question answer, and जो long का first question है वो हम short में include कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा change कर रही हूँ मैं. So the first question is, why is camel called the sheep of the desert? Now, firstly, they asked which animal is known as the sheep of the desert. Now they are asking, why is camel called the sheep of the desert? Camel को sheep of the desert क्यों कहते हैं? That we have to tell. Okay. So yes, start writing the answer. And you all know the answer that क्यों बोला जाता है camel को sheep of the desert. So right here, camel is known as the sheep of the desert as the ship of the desert. Same line we are writing again. It's okay. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. As ship of the desert. Because it is well adjusted. It is well adjusted to desert conditions. It is well adjusted to the desert conditions. जो भी desert में conditions होती हैं, ये animal आराम से उसमें adjust कर सकता है. So it can stay without water and food for several days. Because a camel can stay without water and food for several days. क्योंकि बहुत से दिनों के लिए कैमल बिना खाए और पिए रह सकता है. So and after that days and can withstand the heat of the desert and can withstand with the heat of the desert. जो desert की heat होती है वो उसमें भी adjust कर सकता है. With the heat of the desert. So hurry up, write it fast. Again I am repeating. Why is camel called the ship of the desert? Camel is known as the ship of the desert because it is well adjusted to the desert conditions. It can stay without water, right? It can stay without food for the several days and can withstand with the heat of the desert. So after that, question number 2 is, what is a horseshoe? What is a horseshoe? How is it helpful? How is it helpful? So as I told you in the keywords about the meaning of horseshoe. So horseshoe is a U-shaped metal and which is used to protect the animal's hoof. So now we have to tell how is it helpful, किस तरह से helpful है. So let's get started with it. Okay, so firstly we will be telling about what is a horseshoe. So write, a horseshoe is a, what is a horseshoe? A horseshoe is a U-shaped structure. इस shape का ही होता है ना, U-shape का. Is a U-shaped structure. Then put comma. And then here write, made of iron. किससे बने होते हैं ये horseshoe? Made of iron. Made of iron and it is used. Now we have to tell how is it helpful. And it is used to protect the helpful. It is used to protect the hooves of animals like ox and horse. So giving you few seconds to write it, then we will be doing long question answers. Okay, I hope you all have done this. Now we are starting with the long question answer. For that I will be erasing all this. Write it fast if anybody left. Okay, so make a heading of long question answers now. Yes, long question answer. So the first question of long question answer is, here I am adding the first short question answer. Okay, so that is, how did the invention of the wheel bring about a revolution in transport? About a revolution in transport. So how did the invention of the wheel bring about revolution in transport? Revolution means totally complete change in the methods, and जब wheel invent हुआ, wheel की invention हुई, तो उससे transport में बिल्कुल change कैसे आ गया? So here we will be writing that. So let's write the answer. Right, in the past, past means पहले की बात है. Man traveled only on foot. So उस टाइम में, पहले के टाइम में जो मैन थे वो जनरली सिर्फ ट्रैवल किस पे करते थे? देयर फुट. एंड कैरिड देयर लोड देमसेल्व्स, और अपना जो भार था, जो भी सामान था, वो खुद से उठाते थे. कैरिड देयर लोड देमसेल्व्स. Okay. Now we have to tell, how did the invention of wheel bring about a revolution in transport? So write, the invention of wheel brought, अब जब wheel invent हुआ, उससे क्या हुआ? Brought a revolution in transport. Revolution in transport and carts fitted with wheels. अब जो कार्ट्स थे उनको व्हील से फिट कर दिया गया. And were used to carry people again. In the past, men traveled only on foot and carried their load themselves. So the invention of wheel brought a revolution in transport, and carts fitted with wheels were used to carry people and goods from one place to another. So it just carts fitted with wheels were used to carry people and goods from one place to another. People और goods को means चीजों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने में carts are very helpful now. So these carts were pulled by animals. These carts were pulled by animals. Yes, so everyone note it down fast. Then we will be doing the last question. How did the invention of the wheel bring about a revolution in transport? In the past, men traveled only on foot and carried their load themselves. The invention of wheel brought a revolution in transport, and carts fitted with wheels were used to carry people and goods from one place to another. So these carts were pulled by animals. Now, the last question is question number 2 of the long question answers. That is, okay, how should we take care of animals? हमें एनिमल्स की केयर कैसे करनी चाहिए? सो वी विल बी लर्निंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट. सो नॉट दिस क्वेश्चन फास्ट. So now write the answer. We can take care of our animals in the following ways. हम काफ़ी तरीके से हमने अपने animals की help कर सकते हैं, उनका take care कर सकते हैं. So the first step we can write is giving them proper food, water and shelter. Write it fast. Giving them proper food, water and shelter. Keeping them clean by giving baths regularly. Keeping them clean by giving baths regularly. Being kind to them. बहुत kind रहना चाहिए उनके साथ. We should not beat them. We should not show anger to them. Never beating animals. Taking them to a veterinarian for treatment when they are ill. So these are the some steps like this we can take care of our animals. Firstly, again I am repeating, giving them proper food, water and shelter. Keeping them clean by giving baths regularly. Being kind to them. Never beating animals. Taking them to a veterinarian for treatment when they are ill. So this is how we can take care of our animals, and our chapter is completed here. So you all have to do it in your EVS notebook. That is all for today, and I hope you all like this. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.